Hey, how's it going? So I got the old girl in the shop, finally. She's in need of some repairs. She's starting to show rage. Stuff's starting to fall off. These are falling off the other day. I had to put a screw in there just to hold them onto the thing because it's rusting out underneath here. She's starting to show rage. What's been happening is, what is that? Oh, that sucks. Cracked windshield. All right, so what's happening is maybe about, I guess, start of the season, my wipers were working intermittently. And by intermittently, I don't mean the intermittent wipers. I mean, you turn the truck on to low or delay, and they don't come on at all. At the start of the season, I would have them on high and they wouldn't work. And so I had to have them on low and they were working fine. But then it got to a point where low started to not work very well. And they would stop, halfway up, halfway deployed. So being the guy that I am, the total guy, I started reefing on the wiper to give it a helping hand, and I snapped the wiper off. So now I got no wiper at all, and needs to be fixed. Because we're getting snow, maybe another 4 or 5 inches in a couple days, and you got to have wipers to plow snow. So we're gonna try and fix this. First I gotta get that wiper back down in the down position. Well, I'll do that when I get the hood up here. The good old Cummins. She never lets me down. Now that I said that it'll break down next week. I'll show you how to get these wipers off. Screwdriver. So to get these off, there's a little tab right there. You just open that up. Oh. 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 Now they start working. Crazy. You can just pull that off. That's goes over there somewhere. And now the wiper's stuck in the up position now. There we go. So obviously there's a dead spot in the wiper motor. It doesn't always work. Those are off now. See if I can show you on this side better. So to get these off, right there, you gotta lift the wiper as high as you can until it, as high as you can, like that. And on the side, there's a little tab right there. You just want to push that tab out, let the wiper down, and it'll stay suspended in the air like that. Wiper fell off when I was doing that. And then all you need to do is you should just be able to lift that off. Once that tab's out, you should just be able to lift it off. Sometimes it needs a little coaxing with the screwdriver, but ordinarily they just come right off. And then ordinarily there'd be a bunch of tabs holding this, the shroud to the windshield. That just comes off. And there's your wiper motor. So the ones down here look like the 11. That wasn't too bad. And then we got a nice new one. Thanks to Jeff at Amazon for the expeditious delivery. There. Let's go somewhere like so. Locked in. All right. Oh. There is no way to hold this stupid motor nice for this bolt. I should say that usually I'm a big supporter of buy local, support local if you can, especially in a small community where the really helps local stores. But go to the dealer and buy these parts. It's just ridiculous how much these parts are at the dealer. I forget I paid online on Amazon. I got the wiper more for $40 or $50, and then the wiper arm got for $28 or $30. The dealer might pay $300. Who knows these days? So that's still there, in line. Low, high, and it stops where it should. That's awesome. So then to reinstall these, you line up on the dust of your windshield where they were before, right around there. All better. Now, what's going on here? One more thing to fix. There we go. There, she's all done. Ready to plow again. I just wanted to say thank you to all my recent subscribers, and thank you for the comments and the likes. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. Thanks again. See you on the next one.